This tip will save your Japanese maples and save you a few pound. If your potted Japanese maples have had too much sun exposure, fancy doing the rescue of your own and saving yourself a ton of money. I've got 3 young Japanese maples here, all the same problem, underwatering and too much sun exposure. This certain store wanted £5 each for these. I had the 3 for £5, making this a real bargain. It's very simple. Just cut off all sunburnt leaves, strip off all the burnt foliage to stop the tree wasting energy. Removing those scorched leaves triggers a stress response that forces the maple to push out fresh, healthy growth. In doing this, this will maximise the recovery of this little maple tree. Now it's been totally defoliated, just remove any dead or blackened stems. This method will work on any Japanese maple, big or small, regardless of variety. This little Japanese maple is now on the road to recovery. Let's quickly move on to the next one. Starting to lose the light here a bit. It's been a very busy day, I'm afraid, sorry. I always aim to try and bring you up-to-date content, the content that really matters to help you. The same applies, just remove any damaged or rotten stems or branching. Here we have it, 2 aces ready for the next step of the recovery. Take your aces and just plunge them in a bucket of water and just leave them for around about 5 minutes until all air bubbles have surpassed the pots. Remove them from your bucket and drain off for a few seconds, and just place these in the shade for about 6 weeks and continue leaving them in the shade. The purpose of tonight's video is just to reassure you that these kind of things do happen, even under normal circumstances. But with this knowledge, you can use this and adapt it to your own Japanese maple, potted or bonsai form, beginner or intermediate enthusiast, or even better, buy them with these conditions, under watering and sun scorched, and use this recovery method to nurse your chosen Japanese maple to good health. I hope you find this useful, and maybe one day you'll save yourself some serious money and utilize this method. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.